Seeing your board in 3D shows you exactly what it will look like and how it will fit after being manufactured. You can measure the distances between components' step models, vias, pads, C-lines, and other electrical objects. Measuring distances between components and other step models in 3D is easy using the Measured Path command. Right-mouse-click anywhere on the 3D canvas and select Measured Path. Click on any component to set the measurement point and a blue dot will appear. Then, click on another component to measure the distance between them. The distance between each component is shown in the Options pane, and the total distance is calculated across all measurements. You can measure distances on the X, Y, and Z axes. And sometimes, just seeing it isn't enough. The Measured Path command will help you get accurate and precise measurements to meet the strict requirements of dense and complex boards.